In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Judge Me on Shopify. Judge.me is a popular product review app that helps you collect customer reviews, build trust, and increase sales on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Then click on Shopify App Store to open the marketplace for Shopify apps. In the search bar, type Judge.me product reviews and select the official app from the search results. Now, click Install to add Judge.me to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions before continuing, so confirm the installation. After the app is installed, Judge.me will guide you through the setup process. First, choose your preferred language and connect the app to your current Shopify theme. Next, customize how your review widgets appear on your product pages. You can adjust the layout, colors, star ratings, and review display style to match your store design. Judge Me also allows you to automatically send review request emails to customers after they place an order. This helps you collect more authentic customer feedback over time. Once your setup is complete, click Start Setup or Finish Setup to activate the app on your Shopify store. Now, visit one of your product pages to confirm that the review section appears correctly and is working properly. Customer reviews help build trust, improve social proof, and encourage more shoppers to purchase from your store. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started using Judge Me on Shopify. Thanks for watching.